10 soil conditions, 100 different plants, from clay to rich loam. See what makes them thrive. Master your garden soil today.
Not every soil grows plants the same way. Roots respond to soil conditions. Here are 100 plant examples.
Sandy soil drains water quickly. Carrots, potatoes, radishes, peanuts, and sweet potatoes, watermelon, cantaloupe, asparagus, lavender, and rosemary.
Clay soil holds water and nutrients. Cabbage, broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Peas, beans, sunflowers, daylilies, and hostas. Loam can provide balanced root conditions. Tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, cucumbers, and peppers. Beans, corn, peas, carrots, and strawberries.
Silty soil can hold moisture well. Lettuce, spinach, celery, cucumbers, and onions. Peas, beans, carrots, radishes, and broccoli.
Peaty soil contains abundant organic material. Blueberries, cranberries, azaleas, rhododendrons, and camellias. Ferns, potatoes, strawberries, parsley, and mint. Chalky soil is typically alkaline. Lavender, rosemary, thyme, sage, and oregano. Lilac, dianthus, beets, spinach, and asparagus. Sandy loam combines drainage with structure. Carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, and beans. Corn, cucumbers, squash, melons, and clay loam can hold moisture and nutrients. Tomatoes, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and beans. Peas, corn, squash, cucumbers, and kale.
Some plants perform better in acidic soil. Blueberries, cranberries, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and strawberries. Azaleas, rhododendrons, camellias, gardenias, and pineapple.
Organic matter can improve soil conditions. Tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, lettuce, and spinach. Beans, peas, carrots, radishes, and squash.
These are examples, not exclusive matches. pH, drainage, and structure all matter. Match soil conditions to the plant.
Need a mix for broccoli, garlic, or onions? Try 2 parts soil, 1 part compost, 1 part drainage material. Keep it fertile, loose, and well drained.
For cacti, go much faster draining. Use plenty of mineral material and less organic mix. Cacti need drainage, not soggy roots.
Know your soil before planting. It can prevent costly mistakes. Comment your plant and soil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Share this video with all of your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.